Hello everyone. Good morning, my students. Next part in the continuation of spices and condiments. The second plant is black pepper. This black pepper is a most important in Indian spice and also one of the constituent ingredients in all spices. In all spices, indigenous as well as the other country spices. So this is a black pepper which is a indigenous or original to Western Ghat, and this pepper is what we call here one of the most important Indian spices which has to be known as king of spices. What I call here king of spices, and also termed as black gold of India. Then this black gold of India is a more important to export and do more and more foreign exchange. So it is called as a black gold of India. Black pepper, that is Piper nigrum from family Piperaceae, is a perennial climbing vine grown for its berries, extensively used as spices, not only spices but as also a medicine. India is a leading producer, consumer and exporter of black pepper in the world. About 17,563 tons of black pepper worth rupees about 150.95 crores were exported to various countries, accounting for 5.74% export earning amongst the spices. Black pepper is cultivated to a large extent in India, but not all over the India. Some extent to some of the states, particularly from southern regions as Kerala and Karnataka. This Kerala and Karnataka, two states, climatic conditions has been favorable for cultivation. To a limited extent in also Tamil Nadu and even also in Konkan region of the Maharashtra. The crop is grown in about 2,57,020 hectares in India, with the production of 79,640 tons annually. And Kerala, a single state, has been contributed as 94.1% production, account for the major portion of this black pepper in the country, followed by the Karnataka, which is 3.6%. What is the botanical source or botany of this black pepper? Botanical name is Piper nigrum. The family from Piperaceae. English name totally called as a black pepper, and in vernacular name, particularly Marathi language from Maharashtra, it is named as Kali Miri. In Hindi, it is called as Kali Mirch. Number of languages. Which are the plant parts used? Plant parts used or source is a fruit. We look at here this plant, this vine, and producing a spike of the fruits, and these bunches, elongated bunches of the fruits has been produced such black colored, that is the black gold of India. What is the morphological point of view important? It is a perennial glabrous woody climber growing up to the height 15 meters or also more. But in cultivated for the cultivation, only 15 meter height is a best for more production. The height of the vine depends on the height of the support. Which type of the support has to be given to the plant is the most important. Either a living palm tree or another artificial, etc. So it climbs on this support and under cultivation as a single monocrop also. The Piper vine has two types branches. Arthrotropic climbing branch. आले लक्षात, जी वर क्लाइंब होत जात असते त्याला काय म्हणायचं, आर्थ्रोट्रॉपिक क्लाइंबिंग ब्रँच अँड द प्लॅजिओट्रॉपिक फ्रुटिंग ब्रँच. ज्याला फ्रूट्स येतात त्याला काय म्हणायचं, प्लॅजिओट्रॉपिक. MCQला हे बाळानो येणारच. आलं लक्षात. स्टेम विथ द नोड्स आर swung and each node has a cordate or oval type of the leaf. Each node there may be 8 to 15 short adventitious climbing roots to climb, catch up the support and adhere particularly on that support and then grow upward side. This is most important in the climbing system of the vines which produce the aerial roots from the aerial nodes. At the axil of each leaf, there is an axillary bud, that is the axillary growing bud also, which can develop in the plesiotropic branches, which produce the flowers and the fruits. लक्षाला, सुरुवातीला ज्या स्टेम असतं त्याच्यावरती डायरेक्ट फ्रुटिंग येत नाही किंवा फ्लावरिंग येत नाही. तर प्रत्येक ॲक्झिलमध्ये स्टेमच्या आणि लीफच्या मध्ये असणाऱ्या ॲक्झिलमधून जो बर्ड असते ग्रोईंग, त्या बर्डपासून फुटणारा जे ब्रँच असते त्याला काय येत असते, प्लॅजिओट्रॉपिक ब्रँच म्हणायचे आणि त्याच्यात फ्लावर्स आणि फ्रूट्स तयार होत असतात. दिस इज मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टंट. Only arthrotropic shoots produce further climbing shoots with the roots at every node and which are used for propagation of the Piper vines. आले लक्षात. प्लॅजिओट्रॉपिक ब्रँचेस महत्त्वाचे आहेत, पण आर्थ्रोट्रॉपिक सुद्धा ब्रँच महत्त्वाचे आहेत. कशासाठी? व्हेजिटेटिव्ह प्रोपागेशनसाठी, नवीन प्लांट मल्टिप्लिकेशन करण्यासाठी, त्याचे स्टॉक्स तयार करण्यासाठी. आले लक्षात. दिस इज द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टंट पॉईंट. अनदर थिंग इज दॅट हिअर leaves are simple, alternate, often unequal sided, and they are coriaceous, dark green, large also, and shiny above, pale and gland dotted below. This is the most important morphological characters to identify a Piper plant in the nature. Cordate to ovate shape in arthrotropic shoot and ovate to ovate elliptic on plesiotropic shoot. Inflorescence is filiform, pendant, and terminal spike. What is called as pendant? Long elongated peduncle. So it is called as a pendant on which the terminal spike has to be produced. The spikes have or are 2 to 17 centimeter or also in some cases more long and bearing 5 to 100 and more minute flowers borne in the axils. Monoecious exhibiting the great variability. In this case, this is the composition of all the types of flowers. आलं लक्षात. ह्या स्पाइकमध्ये सगळ्या टाईपचे फ्लावर्स असतात. मोनोसियस, एकाच ह्याच्यावरती येणारे म्हणून मोनोसियस म्हणायचं. आणि सगळ्या टाईपचे, दॅट इज द मेल फ्लावर असतात, फिमेल फ्लावर्स असतात, बायसेक्शुअल फ्लावर्स असतात. आले लक्षात. ज्या स्पाइकमध्ये बायसेक्शुअल फ्लावरची संख्या जास्त, त्याची प्रॉडक्टिव्हिटीसुद्धा जास्त. त्यामुळं जास्तीत जास्त व्हरायटीज ह्या अशा निवडल्या जातात की ज्याच्यामध्ये ए ग्रेटर प्रोडक्टिव्हिटी हॅज बीन ऑकर ड्यू टू द प्रेझन्स ऑफ percentage, greater percentage, higher percentage of the bisexual flowers, and fruit is very tight. What are the uses? As far as uses has been concerned, it is a valuable, and it is an essential preservative to the meats and other such types of the oil preparations and perishable foods. All the perishable, जास्त काळ टिकणारे त्याला पेरिसेबल म्हणायचं. नॉन पेरिसेबल कमी वेळेत टिकणारे, आले लक्षात. आणि असे जास्त काळ टिकणारे जेवढे फूड आहेत, फूड स्टफ आहे, त्याच्यामध्ये ॲज ए प्रिझर्वेटिव्ह म्हणून काय घेतलं जातं, काळी मिरी घातली जाते. इट इज देअर फॉर लार्ज युज्ड बाय मीट पॅकर्स अँड इन द कॅनिंग, pickling, baking, confectionery, and the preparation of also different types of the beverages. One of the principal value of this piper is to its ability to adjust the flavor. Adjust the flavor. एकदम सगळा फ्लेवर जरी ॲडिशन केलेला असेल तर तो टाकत नाही. Adjustable flavor. It is an important constituent of whole pickling the spice and many ground spice, formula of the seasoning for different types of the sauces, dressing, sauces and hamburg. सगळ्या टाईपच्या ह्याच्यामध्ये हा स्पाइस का केला जातो, वापरला जातो. Oil is a valuable, and this oil has been a very important medicinal importance and also used as a flavoring agent, a flavoring oil for the sauces, canned meats, soaps, table sauces and certain beverages and liquors. विशिष्ट प्रकारच्या दारूंना आणि वेगवेगळ्या प्रकारच्या पेयांना एक विशिष्ट असा सुवास येण्यासाठी, सुंदर असं फ्लेवर येण्यासाठी काय केलं जातं, ऑइल वापरलं जातं. इट इज यूज्ड ॲज अ परफ्युमरी अँड इन ऑल्सो मेडिसिन. पायपरीन इज एक्स्ट्रॅक्टेड which is used to impart a pungent taste, particularly to the brandy preparation. ब्रँडी सैनिक वापरतात जास्त करून, ही दारूचा एक प्रकार आहे बरं का पुरीनो, त्यासाठी ते वापरलं जातं. It is also a powerful remedy for various disorders and effective cure for different types of the human diseases like dyspepsia, malaria, delirium, tremors, hemorrhagia, etc. Number of diseases in which the main constituent or supplementary constituent or ingredient is used, this piper. It is also used as insect repellent and moth killer. This is the most important part. Insect repellent and moth killer. It is one of the most important spices of the daily use in daily food of the Indian dishes. आपल्याला तर सारखंच लागत असतं. इंडियन लोक साधारणतः आपल्या इकडली महाराष्ट्रातली ते कायमच रोजच्याच वेगवेगळ्या डिशेसमध्ये आपण वापरत असतो. These are the dried and dry fruits used daily diet to essential flavor. आणि कशासाठी वापरले जातं डेली डाएटमध्ये, हे इसेन्शियल फ्लेवरसाठी वापरलं जातं. ब्लॅक पायपर इज अ स्टिम्युलंट अँड कार्मिनेटिव्ह. When the seeds are taken in large quantity, they cause a feeling of warmth. Another thing is that the pungent taste of the piper is due to an oleoresin which are present in the fruit, while the aromatic odor is due to the volatile oils present in the plant. We look at here the photographs. These photographs taken from the internet, Google, and this is also from the internet. All these diagrams and photographs are very much important. This is the habit of the plant, and this habit has to be looks like all these things. These two types of the branches we look at here, the growing branch and the fruiting and flowering branch. We look at here, after the red color, at maturity it becomes as a black color, brown brackish color, and this is the a important type of the piper, and it is a gold, black gold, which is black gold from the India is most important. So all about this black pepper used as a spice. आलं लक्षात बाळांनो, व्यवस्थित अभ्यास करायचा, सोपं आहे. परीक्षेला ह्याच्यातले बरेचसेच पॉईंट्स जे असतात हे MCQला येत असतात. MCQचे प्रिपरेशन करायचे, 10 MCQ तयार करून ठेवायचे, जे की आपल्याला आले पाहिजेत. थँक्यू.